Hey Kim, I'm just using HiSmile, so I'll call you back in 10 minutes. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually back with another sit down video, and it's a bit of a different one. So a company called HiSmile kind of got in touch with me and they wanted to do a collaboration with me, which I'm really excited about. You guys have probably heard of them. They're like all over Instagram and that kind of thing. Like so many like influencers and celebrities use HiSmile. So they wanted to collaborate with me, which I was of course down for. This video is kindly sponsored by HiSmile, but even though it's sponsored, I'm going to be giving like my honest opinion on their products that they sent me and that kind of thing. So yeah, basically this video is going to be just me unboxing the products, talking to you guys a bit about the products that they sell. HiSmile kindly sent me their teeth whitening kit as well as teeth whitening gels and their toothpaste. I've actually been using this toothpaste for about a month now and I'm really loving it. It's this really funky pink colour. I even bought it to Mexico as well. So yeah, I've been using this for a bit, but then I've only been using the actual teeth whitening kit for a week now, and I've already seen improvements actually, which is amazing. So I'm literally just going to show you guys what is in both of these boxes, talk to you guys a bit about the products, and yeah. I'm also going to be showing you guys a picture of my teeth before I started the teeth whitening process and then like from yesterday, so it's like a week's comparison. A bit of backstory about like my teeth and stuff. So basically I've always been like really insecure about my teeth recently. I think it's because I had braces when I was younger and they were straightened when I was about 13, 14. But then I didn't wear my retainers. So my teeth they didn't all move back, but the front tooth moved. And one down here moved as well, and it's just really annoying because I had such nice teeth after my braces came off and now they've just gone a bit bad again. But yeah, I have tried a few other teeth whitening like products. I can't remember what it's called. I think it was called like Cocoa White. They used to do like this. I think it was like a coconut oil thing that you had to like swish around your mouth. I've basically seen HiSmile teeth all over Instagram. There's so many influencers that like promote them and that kind of thing. And I was like, I'm really interested to see whether it actually makes a difference, because before you go out and buy this, you want to make sure it's legit and all that kind of thing. Okay, so basically first I'm going to show you guys the HiSmile teeth whitening kit. So basically it's in this really cute box. I really like their packaging. It's quite minimal, basic. Then when you open it, basically you get 3 gels at the top. Obviously 2 are gone because I've used it for a week. And then you also get the LED light, which is just here, and the mouth guard. So basically what you do is you put a quarter of the gel into the top of the mouth guard, a quarter of the gel into the bottom of the mouth guard, and then you literally just attach it on. Like, I'm literally so bad at this. This is going to take me so long. It's not the easiest thing to get in, I'm not going to lie. Okay, is that in? Yeah, okay, so yeah. You basically just apply a quarter of the gel to the top, a quarter of the gel to the bottom, and then you just put it into your mouth. You click the on button and it goes blue, which is really funky, and it actually times 10 minutes for you. So you don't have to worry about like setting a timer or whatever. So yeah, you basically just keep it in your mouth for 10 minutes, and then that's basically done. So on the back of the box is all the directions for use. So basically it says, use once a day for 6 days. Each gel contains 2 uses. For lasting results, repeat 1 application every 2 weeks. And it basically just says, open cover to remove plastic tag from LED light battery, attach the mouth tray, twist to remove gel lid before applying gel, and then apply a quarter of the gel to the top of the tray and a quarter of the gel to the bottom of the tray. Whiten for 10 minutes, rinse and repeat daily. And then it also says all the ingredients which are in it. And then I'm just going to open these ones up for you. If I can. The other set of gels that they sent me, so basically I've just got 3 more, which is really good, so I'm all stocked up. Also, this gel formula is brand new. HiSmile have actually created a brand new formula for their gels based on like customer feedback and that kind of thing. I'm just going to read this off here quickly, otherwise I'm going to completely forget. This gel contains a new active whitening ingredient, a new remineralizing, is that how you say it? I think so, agent, as well as a tighter fit mouth tray to ensure a more effective treatment process. That's actually really good. Yeah, basically HiSmile have improved their formula, and I did actually use the old formula, and I would say that this formula is a bit more thick, but I would say that it still tastes really good. Like, I was a bit worried about what the taste is going to be like, because obviously if it's in your mouth for 10 minutes, I don't know if any of you guys had braces before, but when I had braces and you had to have that like what was it called, like the putty stuff in your mouth? Is it even called putty? No, it's not. I don't even know what it's called, but you had to have that in your mouth, and it used to make me gag so much. But having this in my mouth doesn't make me gag or anything, which is good, and it tastes fine. It tastes pretty like minty and that kind of thing, so there's nothing wrong with the taste. Like, I think the taste is good. Also, the new formula doesn't cause any like pain or sensitivity, because I know some people can get like sensitive in their mouth kind of area and that kind of thing. So the new formula like won't affect your mouth at all, which is really, really good. Also, this toothpaste which they sent me is literally amazing. I love it so much. I've been using it for like a month now, and to begin with, I was like, this is so weird, like a pink toothpaste. It was quite hard to get out the first time, but literally love this toothpaste so much. I'm probably like halfway through it now, and I can say that it's really, really made a difference to like my mouth and that kind of thing. I feel like it just makes your breath really, really fresh. Obviously, I like the pink colour. That's a bonus. And you don't need to use a lot either. Like, I feel like a little amount of this product goes a really, really long way. So yeah, I'd really, really recommend this HiSmile toothpaste. But yeah, now I'm going to show you some videos and pictures of before I did HiSmile, just so you guys can get kind of like an insight as to what my mouth was like before HiSmile. So basically, this is what they look like now, I would say. I think they have gone up a few... Wait, hold on. Where is that thing gone? So HiSmile actually gives you like this colour guide, just so you can like track your progress and that kind of thing. And I would say that I was probably like a 4 or a 5 before I started the treatment, and now I think I'm about a 3. I mean, I never had like proper like yellow teeth or that kind of thing, I don't think so anyway. But yeah, I would definitely say it has gone up a shade, which is really, really good. So I'm going to continue to use it and hopefully continue to see like amazing results and that kind of thing. But yeah, all in all, I would really, really recommend this teeth whitening kit. I'll just go over again what it includes. So this kit includes instructions, a shade guide, a demonstration of applying, 3 gels, and the LED mouth guard. And I think it retails at about £50. I hope that's right. I'll put all the information on screen now, and it'll also be down below. So if you want to go and buy this product, go and check out the link down below, because it'll be in the description. Also, I will include a clip of me demonstrating the product to you guys, because obviously you probably want to know how it works and stuff. Okay, hey, good morning. So today is the last day that I'm going to be using HiSmile for the week. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm firstly just going to brush my teeth using the pink HiSmile toothpaste. Okay, don't worry about me, I'm just sat on my toilet seat because there's no other place to sit in my bathroom because it is so sunny. So yeah, now I'm going to use a teeth whitening set, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically, I've just got the LED light and the mouth guard here. So you just put the mouth guard onto the LED light, and then, let me find this. So now I'm just going to put a quarter of the gel onto the top of the mouth guard and a quarter of the gel onto the bottom. I can't even look and do this at the same time. Okay, there we go, and then you literally just put it into your mouth and click the button. Okay, this is gonna look so ugly. So I've just taken my HiSmile out. I'd really recommend taking it out like over a single cement, because you do get a lot of like saliva and stuff. But yeah, that is basically my week of HiSmile done. I would say my teeth are a lot more whiter, and my like mouth in general just feels so much cleaner since using HiSmile, so I would highly recommend. But yeah. So basically that is the end of this video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to HiSmile for sponsoring this video. It does mean so much to me. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please do give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe down below for more, and let me know if any of you guys decide to buy a HiSmile, and let me know if you've seen any results and like how long it took for you to see results and that kind of thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.